First day back in the workshop after Christmas and New Year. Been working from home the last couple of days in the snow. So we've got 4 8x4 hoarding panels to print today. I know some people will be saying, oh, I could do it on a flatbed printer and things. Yeah, I could. I don't have the space for a flatbed printer. I don't do much direct to substrate or rigid board work. A lot of my work is vinyl work. Yep, we'll print it on some vinyl, apply a gloss laminate over it to protect it, and then we'll mount it up on the laminator. Yes, I don't have a flatbed table because I very rarely need one. Now this job we did some printed samples for the customer, so we've got the colour swatch on the bench. We'll just make sure it matches. So the printer's done its thing, latex, done a colour calibration, print alignment, just lining the print heads because it's been stood since before Christmas. Got the colour sample chart that we printed for the customer last year, so we're just going to set it printing, check how the colour matches to the sample we did last year for them, and let's get it running. So the HP there printing away onto the vinyl, load that onto the laminator. That applies a clear protective film over the top for enhanced durability, protects it from weathering and fading. It's the sign maker's favourite job this. It's either goes well or disastrously wrong. As soon as you start folding creases into it, it's fit for the bin. So there's the roll of clear vinyl being loaded. Then take our time making sure everything's aligned and correct. Slip the back in, and that exposes the adhesive. And the boards have been delivered right on cue. Set the laminator going, just keep an eye on it. And then we're on to mounting it up through the laminator again. So then, there we are. 4 8x4 hoarding panels, printed, laminated, mounted.